Hi, it's Adrian from Dental Artistry. So what are the steps in getting a smile makeover? Well, I think anyone considering doing cosmetic dental treatment, it's a major decision and it's important to actually do your own research. We sometimes recommend even second or third opinions because it's important to find somewhere where a patient is actually comfortable. Most patients that are considering this will actually do their own personal online research. They'll actually, of course, Google smiles and they'll actually work out what they want to do with their teeth and what an ideal smile actually is. After an initial phone call to Advanced Dental Artistry, most patients will come through as a complimentary discussion. And this means that a patient can come in and we can actually sit down and have a quick look at their teeth and actually give them an idea of what's possible and show them cases. We have hundreds of cases. We've been doing cosmetic dentistry for over 20 years now. And we've got hundreds of cases. And I'm sure there's a case that we have which is almost identical to your problem. From here, if a patient decides to go ahead with treatment, what we actually need to do is a full consultation. And this involves a patient coming in for about an hour. The cost is about $310. And what we're doing is actually examining the patient's teeth, all of their teeth, taking x-rays and taking portraits and video. And this is critically important for smile design. Video actually shows us how the lips and the patient talks and what happens to the mouth and the smile when a patient is in motion. And of course, the portraits are there to help us with our digital smile design. All of this is done with our dental ceramists too. So the most important thing is that there is a team of people that are there to diagnose your smile. The ceramists that we have, both of them are actually on site and they can come upstairs just to examine, to give us their opinion when it comes to your smile. From here, if a patient decides they want to go with treatment, they've now decided they do want to have treatment done, the first visit is usually a hygiene visit where we're getting the gums nice and healthy, and we may be doing some whitening too if that's an option that they've chosen. When it comes to the porcelain treatment, there's something that's very important, and that is what we call the trial smile. We design everything on a model of the patient's mouth, and a patient gets to trial run this smile before the final porcelain is actually made. And this is critical because then the patient can give us feedback and we can actually finesse the case to make sure it's actually ideal. The trial smile is probably the most critical phase of the whole treatment. Once a patient has actually signed off on the trial smile and is 100% happy with the trial smile, we would then have the final porcelain actually made. And then the last visit, of course, would be the final porcelain will be inserted, and we would review the patient after to make sure that the case is perfect. If you have any questions, please give us a ring at 1-800-SMILING. I look forward to one day seeing you in the practice.